Your first step is going to be to cut the short side of the window. So here's the short side. So you want to get your blade as far in as possible and just follow that edge all the way down. When you get to the bottom, you can flick your knife away. And then at this point, you can just take the tint and rip away from obviously where you want it to be nice. Okay, so from here, we're just gonna pull it out without creasing it. And we're gonna pull it this way, about 1/4 of an inch. So we moved it over 1/4 of an inch. Squeegee that on again, make sure it doesn't move. Then we're gonna cut this side, but only half of it, all the way to the bottom. So you're gonna get your finger in there, get your knife blade in there and run it along the edge, making sure you're tucking the tint in there with your other finger. And then the same thing, you're gonna rip it off this way. Then you're going to pull this out again, make sure that it's not stuck in there. Then you're going to roll the window down just a little bit. That's good. And then you're going to finish cutting that edge. So again, get nice and deep in there. And cut along the edge again. And it should line up very close to where you started cutting if you moved it over far enough or not too far. Okay, so now you're going to come in here and you're just gonna slide your blade in and wait till you hear that like tink, and then pull up on the tint to keep pressure on the tint as you are cutting along the edge of the window. And then if you can't cut anymore, you just rip it off like that. And then we're gonna take it over to the peel board so you can see how to trim the edges.